Okay, you've purchased the Easy Website template and now you're wondering how to use it. In this video, we're going to walk through installing the Easy Website template so that we can move forward and customize it for our brand. At this point, you should have a fresh installation of WordPress, and if you are not, use this time to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you log in, the first thing we're going to do is install the plugin that will let us upload the Easy Website template. On the left sidebar, we're going to hover over Plugins, and then we're going to click on Add New Plugin. On the next page, do a search for WP Vivid. WP-VI-VID. Once you see the plugin, Migration Backup Staging, WP Vivid Backup and Migration by WP Vivid Plugins, click on Install Now, and after it installs, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click on Activate. After you have activated the WP Vivid plugin, it will redirect you to the Backup and Restore page. On that page, in the middle, you will see a tab that is titled Upload. You need to click on that to open the upload box. Then either select the zip file of the Easy Website template, or you can drag and drop it into the Drop Files Here window. Once you have it selected and ready to go, we're going to go ahead and click on Upload. This process can take a few minutes. Have patience and I'll be back when it uploads. After you have uploaded the template, you will see the pop-up letting you know it is finished. We're going to go ahead and click on OK. Then you will see the backup inside of the backup section. What we're going to do is go ahead and click on Restore, and then we're going to click on Restore again. We'll click on OK, and this will start the process of actually installing the template. This process frequently times out during the first attempt, and roughly around 66%. If this happens, you will be logged out. Simply log back in and repeat the process. Once we log in, we'll come up here and hit refresh, and then we'll do that again. We'll click on Restore, we'll click on Restore, we'll click on OK, and it will start again. This process will take a few minutes. I'm going to skip forward to the end and I'll see you in a second. After the install process, you will have another pop-up letting you know that it was completed successfully. We'll go ahead and click on OK. After you do that, it will redirect you to the login page. This time though, your login credentials will be different. In order to log into your website, you will use the template information. So on the website template guide, we're going to come over and we're going to click on Copy Username to Clipboard. We'll come back to our website, we'll paste that in, then we'll go back to the guide, we'll copy the password, and we'll paste that in, and then we'll go ahead and click on Login. After you log into your dashboard, you only have a few more steps to go. We'll start by going over to Users, and we'll click on Add New User. This will take you to the page to add a new user. This is going to be your main user, so make sure you fill out the entire form. After you completely fill out your information, including the HTTPS and your link, you need to make sure that the role is changed to administrator, and then we'll click on Add New User. Now that you have created your user, the final step is to delete the template user. First, hover over the Delete Me Now and click on Log Out. Now you need to log in using the information you just created. And because this is your primary user, you can go ahead and click on Remember Me. So we'll go ahead and log in. After you log in, go back to the users page. Under the Start User, we're going to go ahead and click on Delete. After you click on Delete, it's going to transfer you to the Delete page. Make sure that you click on Attribute All Content to. Your new user information should pop up here. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Confirm Deletion. Now we'll go back to the dashboard for the next step. At this point, we're going to activate our Elementor Pro license. If you do not yet have a license, you can follow the link below this video or in the guide to get your license. After you purchase your Elementor Pro license, in order to reconnect it, we're going to come over to Elementor, we'll hover over Elementor, and then we'll come down and click on License. We'll click on Connect and Activate, and depending on how you have yours set up, you may receive a different screen, in which case you'll click on Activate on my account or something to that nature. So we'll go ahead and connect. It will automatically pull up your information. We'll click on Connect and Activate. Now we have 2 quick steps that we need to do before we can start to customize our website. The first thing is the admin email change. So we will come down under Settings and click on General. Then where it says Administration Email Address, you'll go ahead and put in your email address. Once you've entered in your email address, you'll go ahead and scroll down and then click on Save Changes. After you have saved your admin email, the next thing to do is to save your permalinks. And this is the structure of your website, so I shouldn't have to say do not skip this step. So we'll come down to Settings, and then we'll click on Permalinks. And while this step is very important, it's also very easy. You want to make sure in this window it says post name or is selected post name, just like you see here. We'll scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Congratulations, now all that is left to do is customize your website and make it yours. Follow along with the Easy Website Template training to finish your website. And remember, if you need help moving forward with your marketing and or branding, you can visit BuiltByPro.com for more training, tools, and resources. Thank you for trusting us with your brand. I'll see you at the top. Have a great day.